Customer Statement Run. The Customer Statement Run allows you to create and distribute your customer statements. The method of distribution depends on the customer's settings. Some customers want their statements printed, emailed, or both, and some customers do not require statements at all. When customers choose to have their statements emailed to them, ensure that they provide a valid email address and that it is entered correctly in the customer's record. To access this feature, select the Customers, Reports, Customer Statement Run option. In the Customer Filter section, select your customer and customer category range for the statement run. Select whether you want to include active or inactive customers only or both for the statement run. Select your date range in the Date Range drop-down menu. You have the selection to preview the report as monthly, quarterly, yearly, month to date, quarter to date, year to date, live to date, custom to date, last month, last quarter, and last year. If you select the Custom Dates option, you can select the date ranges from the Customer Calendar lookup fields. Check the Show Balance Brought Forward checkbox if you want to consolidate all unallocated transactions prior to the statement date range into one balance brought forward line. Check the Exclude Fully Allocated Invoices checkbox to display unpaid transactions only. Check the Show Detail checkbox to display invoice line item details on statements. Check the Zero checkbox to exclude customers that have a zero balance. Check the Negative checkbox to exclude customers with a negative balance. Check the Less Than checkbox to exclude customers with a balance less than a certain amount specified in the field available. Click on the Next button. The following screen displays. In the Statement Distribution section, you will determine how customers will receive their statements. You have 4 options available. First, print all statements. Select this option if you want to print all of the customer's statements irrespective of their settings. Second, print an email as per customer setting. Select this option if you want to print and email customer statements for customers whose settings are either set to print or email or both. Third, print as per customer setting. Select this option if you want to print the customer's statements whose settings are set to print or print an email. The system will only print the statements and will not generate emailed statements. Email as per customer setting. Select this option if you want to email the customer's statements whose settings are set to email or print an email. The system will only email the statements and will not generate printed statements. When you select to email customer statements, use the email subject and body section to enter an email subject and short message. You also have the option to select the default email signature or to select your own. The customer will receive an email displaying the subject and message entered here with their statement attached. Check the CC checkbox to email a copy of the statements to yourself or another recipient.